In this episode of Virgin Review, we are going to check out the coolest backpack you can buy in $150. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start the video. Maxpedition Unisex Rift Core Backpack. For serious business, you need serious gear from Maxpedition. The Maxpedition Rift Core Backpack is an ergonomic pack with quick-release yoke-style straps. It is equipped with 2 locations for concealed weapon placement, including a fully loop-lined rear compartment with 2-way access. The middle compartment, which has a full clamshell opening, comes with multiple loop-lined adjustable straps that can be repositioned to make organizing and locating contents much easier. The semi-rigid fleece-lined Diva pocket on the front of the pack is ideal for storing sunglasses, electronics, or valuables. You'll always be prepared with gear from Maxpedition. It's really a good backpack you can buy in $150. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.